A very good morning, student. This is the lecture of object oriented programming using C++. As we started our last unit, this is a unit 5th, file operations, and it has 8 marks. The CO which is related to this unit is, after completion of this unit, you will be able to develop C++ programs to perform file operations. And in this session, we will see the last point of this unit and of this course. So last point of this object oriented programming using C++ course and 5th unit is detecting the end of file. So when file is read, it is necessary to detect the end of file. The E of means function, it is a function. E of means end of. Function is used to check whether file pointer is reached at the end of file or not. So EOP is a function and it is which is used to check this is the end of the file or not. We can simply detect end of file by placing the object of file in the while loop as shown is here. While file object in bracket we can write our code. Means what? While file object means what? Till the end of that file. If there is a characters present in the file, this loop will be continued. At the end of the file, this loop is automatically closed. So for example, input file stream sfile sfile.open emp.dat. So this function is used to open the employee file, and while s file means in this while loop the object of the file object of this class is passed, that is a s file. Means what? Till there are some characters present in the file, the while loop will be executed. At the end of this file, this while loop is automatically get closed. So the while loop in the above statement is executed until end of file not encountered. The end of file is member function of iOS class. That is the input output stream class. So if end of is detected, then function return a non-zero value, otherwise returns 0. We can also use the following statement: if ifile.endof is not equal to 0, means what? It returns non-zero when end of file reaches exit 1, means at the end of this file exit 1, or the statement used in the last program as checks for end of file, that is while not ifile.endof. Here end of is a member function of iOS class. It returns 0 till file's end is not reached. So end of file means what? The last character of this file. Now we will see one program for end of file. Now see here we are included two header files, that is IO stream and F stream. Now in the main function, integer main, character line 20, here input file stream, we are created two object of this class. Now input file, this is the first object dot open employee and the second object dot open acc. Here we are opening two files, employee and acc account. Now by using the for loop, if file1 dot end of file not equal to 0, means exit from employee. When our program flow goes at the end of the file, the message is printed like exit from employee. Now the first object dot object line. Now see out the account number of employee line is. Now if I file 2 dot end of file exit from account, and here we are taking the input from the line and write into the file. So the account number of employee Ganesh is 001. The account number of employee Mahesh is 00022. Harish is 333. Dinesh is 444. Now this is the output of this program. Here we are using the E of means end of file. Now we will see the next point, that is the file modes. We can open files in C++ in following two ways: by using constructors of stream and using function open. C++ provide a mechanism of opening a file in different modes where second argument is explicitly passed. The syntax is here: string object dot open file name opening mode. So here the open function takes two arguments. The first argument is the file name and second argument is a user for the file mode or file mode parameter. Now see the file modes. iOS ATE, it is used to go to end of the file on opening. This the mode of the file which directly goes at the end of the file. Now iOS append. So this is used to append to the end of the file, or all writes occurs at the end of the file. Suppose if you want to write any new information at the end of the file, in that time we can open our file in the append mode. Now iOS in. So open file for reading only. Out, open file for writing only. Binary file, which is used to open file in binary mode. Now truncate, which is used to delete content of the file if it exists. Now no create, open files if file does not exist. And no replace, open file if the file already exists. So these are the different parameters. Now see here, it set a pointer to the end of the file at the opening. It allows to add or modify the existing data. Append, which is used to set a pointer to the end of the file similar to the add, but it adds the data to the end of the file. In mode should be specified for input files. Out mode should be specified for the output files. Binary is most used mode for the large applications and databases as compared to the text file for reading and writing. Truncate is a default mode if the file is opened for output. No create, which is relevant to with direct access file. No replace is not allowed us to open a file with the same name. So we will see one program for counting the number of ovals in the text file. So first we required iostream and fstream, two header files. After that integer count, if stream, that is the input file stream in dot open xyz dot text. Here again we are creating object of the output file stream, out dot open x dot text. So while not in dot end of means at the end of this, till this loop work till the end of this file. So character ch equal to character in dot get. By using get function we can take the characters one by one from the file. So ch equal to a, e, I, o, u. These are the ovals. If the character is either from these 5 ovals, then count will be incremented by 1. So after completion of this end of the file, we will get the count of these ovals present in the text file. So this is the end of our unit 5th and our object oriented programming using C++ syllabus. Thank you.